Good day, everyone. Again, we are the Chicababe Group 3, who would like to present this tragic and emotional movie, The Miracle Cell number 7. And I am the one who will be your narrator for today. We have 3 scenes that we prepared for you guys. So, let's tackle in a roleplay and please give your attention and listen to our roleplay theme. Scene 1. In this scene, the child and the father reunite after days. The child is upset and asks the father why he wasn't with them during that time. This confrontation highlights the emotional impact of their separation.
Ano ni man?
Ano na, Mr. Iba?
Ano din yan eh? Muchay ko sa ito ko santuan. Ay, hala, bata! Ano? Are you yes, po? Papa! 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 Ako na mo, di pangita! Magi na mo, di ka na ganito! Di ka na ganito, Papa! Papa! Di ka na ganito!
Scene 2. This scene was heart-wrenching. The father promised to try bring his child home. But the temporary comfort, the child snuggling to sleep in his own bed and be with his father was palpable. Their love for each other was evident in every tending moment.
Papa, gusto ko na din matulog sa una kama. Papa, please na din kaya mga kulit ng tabi ka. Wah, hindi ko na makapili.
Scene 2, continuation. The father and the child celebrate a birthday together with cellmates inside the cell. Exchanging gifts, the child was particularly touched by the father's gift, a teddy bear. This moment shows child's gratitude for having the father with him.
Tada! Wow, cake! Ayun, mo na ang cake ha, pero wait lang, mag-count na tayo siya. 1, 2, 3! Yay! Thank you, Papa! Rasan, thank you, Tito! Ay, akong ginsay mo! Thank you! Ano, regalo sa'yo mo? Kaya mag-drawing ka nila sa mga malapit. Wow! Thank you, Tito! Sige na, iya! Taga-regalo mo siya. Wala, ano na! Wala ka daw, ng Papa, ha? Oh, teddy bear! Papa, magpapasalamat. Ito ba lang ay ikaw, Papa ko? Papa. Sige na yan, ba na? Gusto mo yan ba siya? Salamat ako ngayon.
Scene 3. In this scene, the father has a heart-wrenching goodbye with his child. He also apologized to the police, even thought he didn't do anything wrong. Sadly, this is the last time the father and the child will see each other.
Merry Christmas, Papa! Bye-bye, Papa!
Bye, Iso!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Papa? 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 Papa, please! Papa!
The miracle in cell number 7 showed the hardships endured by Yungu and a father with a disability who was wrongfully accused and the resilience of his daughter, Yisu, who fought to clear her father's name even the many years had passed. Despite the pain, the film is full of hope, kindness, and inspiration. It is a reminder that love and fury will prevail. It's more than just a movie. It's an experience that evokes strong emotion, reflection, and societal prejudice and blind spot. The film encouraged viewers to ponder on their own biases and consider the challenges forced by differently able individuals. The story impact lingers for a long credits roll, leaving a lasting impression on the audience. Again, we are the Chikabay Group 3.
Bea, Clara.